In this video, we will see about introduction to typecasting in Python. Typecasting is a method used for changing the variables declared in certain data type into different data type in order to match for the operation which is required. In Python, this feature can be accomplished by using constructor functions like int_of, string_of, float_of, and so on. The execution of typecasting process can be performed by using two different types of typecasting, such as implicit typecasting and explicit typecasting. In this video, we will concentrate on the implicit typecasting first. So coming to the implicit typecasting, what is implicit typecasting? Implicit typecasting is performed automatically by the interpreter without user intervention. Python automatically converts one data type into another data type. This process does not need any user involvement. Python promotes a conversion of lower data type, for example, integer to higher data type such as floats, to avoid the data loss. This type of conversion or typecasting, we'll call it as a upcasting. Come, let us go to the Jupyter notebook to see the example for implicit typecasting. Yes, I'll give one example to illustrate the implicit type conversion. Okay. So first let me create a function, that is addition function, addition of a comma b. So here I am going to print type of first number a, and I want to print that number also, and I need the type of that number a. Okay, and the next one I need to print my second number which I am getting into my function. So the type of second number, that is b, and I am asking to print the type of that number also. So what I am going to do is c is equal to, since it's an addition function, c is equal to a plus b here, and the next line I want to print my addition result also. So this is type of resulting variable, type of resulting variable c. The value of c need to be printed and the type of c need to be printed. Okay, and the next one is, and I'll create the calling function. Now this is called function, I am creating the calling function now. First addition of both, I'll give integers. Commenting both arguments are integer. Okay, and the next one I'll try to call the function with one integer and one float. Okay, print one integer and one float, 21 comma 20 3.5. Integer and float arguments are passed. And next what I'm going to do is, the first one I'll give float and second one I'll go for integer. Okay, so in this case I'll give the first argument as an float and second argument as an integer, and then next one I'll give both my arguments as a float. That is 21.5 and 23.5. Both are float values. So let me execute it and see what happens here. So once I execute, this is my output I am getting. So what happens, let me explain you what is the flow of control of the program here. So initially the program comes here, the flow control comes here when the addition, when it sees the addition function with two arguments, both are integer, it will go for the called function, that is, give me a second. Yeah, so when it sees the first call of addition function, both the input numbers are integer type, so the result is also the integer type, so no type conversion is needed in this case. When you go for the second call of addition, that is this is my second call of addition. Once the flow of control comes over here, what happens is, the first input is an integer and the second input is of float type, so the Python interpreter internally converts the integer type to the float type to avoid the data loss. Therefore the result is a floating type as shown in the output also. So in the third call function, the first input is a float and second one is a integer, so the Python interpreter internally converts the integer type to the float as we seen in the previous case to avoid the data loss. Therefore the result is also a floating type. So in the fourth call of addition function, both the numbers are floating type, so Python interpreter will not perform any type of conversion here, therefore the result is of floating type. So this is what about the implicit typecasting. Implicit typecasting is performed automatically by the interpreter without any explicit programming or without any user intervention. So Python automatically converts one data type. Here it is converting the integer into the float data type to avoid the data loss. This type of conversion we will usually call it as a upcasting.